dolls, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today we are going to be doing this long AF braid. This is literally my first time doing it and I am so freaking lit because it came out so freaking cute. I did this, I'm so proud. I was struggling in the bathroom. You could kind of see that that's not like a normal braid, but we still got it done. I also did the feed-in method and I've never ever done that before, so I'm just so excited. I'm also on my second cup of coffee today, so yeah, that's why I'm kind of like bouncy and jittery, but oh, I'm so happy. Let me see if we can see how long the braid is. Okay, the braid is pretty much past my booty. So yeah, you know I'm a tall girl, so I had to do it long, but oh, it came out so perfect. So if you want to learn how to get this braid, you know, the braid that everyone is doing right now, then continue to watch this video. Bye. Jumping straight in, I am going to be using my Eco Sailor Gel. I'm using the olive oil one. That one is my favorite. But you can use whatever gel you prefer to use on your hair. After you get your gel, you are just going to want to brush out all your kinks and your knots, because the way that this ponytail looks bomb is if your hair is super sleek back. So just make sure you comb out all of your naps and then just put your hair in a ponytail. I'm doing a low one, but it's not too low, but it's also not too high, as you can tell. You're also going to want to use 2 hair ties. I just feel like it helps. I feel like every time I do a ponytail, I do 2 hair ties. It helps hold the extra hair that you add onto your hair. And if you are tender-headed, then this will for sure help you from not getting a headache. I was going to be on camera for quite a while working on this ponytail. I was like, let me just go ahead and do my baby hairs now so I could look somewhat cute. But I'm just swooping my baby hairs. This is completely up to you. You can add more swoops. You could do the backward swoops. You don't have to do swoops. I'm a baby hair fanatic, so of course I had to lay my baby hairs. Now I'm grabbing 1 pack of braiding hair. This is just some braiding hair I had laying around. So you're going to take that rubber band that's on the braiding hair and wrap that around your ponytail as tight as you can go without popping the rubber band. Now I'm just going to take a little amount of hair to pull to the side. This is what you're going to use to wrap your ponytail at the end after you're completely finished. So once you do that, you separate that section. Now you're going to separate the braiding hair into 3 pieces. So this hair is going to be your braids. Now, after you separated the braiding hair, you're going to separate your hair. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure your hair is smooth and does not have any naps in it, because it's just going to help lay better. So I'm just layering everything on top of each other to make sure I know where it all goes. So when you are braiding your hair, so you want to braid it completely backwards so the braid can be full and so it can fall completely in the back at the top. So you want to make sure that you have your hair on top of the braiding hair when you start to braid. Also, you are going to want to use some gel, especially if you have real textured hair like I do. You're going to want, your hair is going to need some type of assistance to mesh with the braiding hair. So as I braid, I grab some gel, smooth down my hair on top of the braiding hair, and then I just keep on going. I know I'm not doing the best of showing you exactly what I'm doing because I was so focused when I started that I was just like, oh my god, a braid. But yeah, so I am just braiding my hair normally. I feel like when I do braid, I twist as I braid. So it's like if you're doing rope twists, as you take your braiding hair, you're going to twist it as it goes into the braid. This part, I am not even going to try and explain how I attempted to do a feed-in, because just looking at it alone, it's so cringing because it's horrible. I honestly do not know how I got that hair to stay. So if you do want to learn how to add feed-in, I would say go watch someone's YouTube tutorial, because this ain't the video you want to watch to learn how to do that. But all I'm doing is just adding extra pieces in to make my braid a little bit longer, because I am a tall girl and I need a long braid to go with my long legs. all of that was a big mouthful, so I'm going to stop talking now, and you can just watch what I do, and if I need to explain, I will come back. Enjoy. Now that we have our braid, I just added a rubber band at the end. Of course, I am going to cut off the end pieces as well. So now I am just going to go through the braid and try and pull it apart so it's not super tight. But when you are at the top of your braid, make sure you're super careful because that's where your hair is. Also, now this is when you're going to take that piece of hair that you left out and you're just going to wrap it around a braid. So what I do is I add some gel to it, brush it with my brush so it's super sleek, and then you just wrap, and then I went in and I sprayed it with some Got2b gel free spray just because I wanted that extra hold. I also did add a bobby pin. And then, yeah, this is it. One more thing, you are going to want to dip your braid into some boiling water. So all you have to do is boil some water, dip your braid in there, and voila, now you're finished. And I just love the way this came out. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next one. Happy October.